Hello, everybody. Today is the game. This is the first version of a survival game not long way written in Python. Early access. Leave your suggestions for improving the game in the comments. You won't find it online. The code is intended for beginners. Before we start, please, give a like to this episode so more people can see it. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episodes. Let's go. The story of the game. One day, the man was returning home. The weather was clear, sunny, and a breeze was blowing here and there. The man's day was not very good. Many worries overtook him at that time, so he walked slowly, full of thoughts. The man's house was outside the city, and the road was almost deserted. Sometimes a car drove by. A huge waste processing plant stretched almost all the way. Everywhere you looked, the enterprise was reaching the horizon. Suddenly, a siren sounded, a signal that was not pleasant and warned of some danger. The man disconnected from reality for a moment, and just numbly watched the cloud. It was an explosion. After regaining consciousness, falling to the ground from the blast wave, the man began to run toward the house despite the dispatcher's warnings over the loudspeakers. So, he is alone with danger. There is only one chance to save yourself. Will it be successful? The rules of the game. Rule 1. Person have to reach home until radiation eat you. Rule 2. You can throw dices during 8 attempts. Rule 3. Person have 4 steps privilege. Rule 4. Persons and radiation steps are counted if dice is throwing. Rule 5. When radiation eat person die. Rule 6. When attempts are over and person does not reach home yet, person die. Rule 7. When person reach home and radiation is behind him, person is saved. Let's see how to play. Run the main.py file in terminal. Enter your name. Okay, code on Puffic. Your goal is to reach home until radiation eat you. You have 8 attempts to do it. Good luck. Did you understand the rules? And game is started. We have 2 files. The first is dice.py, we will use it as imported module not to mess the main code. And main.py file with game logic. In file dice.py we create the dictionary constant with numbers from 1 to 6 as keys and ASCII symbols as values. Let's print all dice and see what has been made. The main.py file we start from import random module in our dice dictionary. The first function that we need here is called throw dice, with two blocks, one for person and another for radiation. Result of the function is dictionary with persons and radiations points. The second function we need here is called play. It is main function which has full game functionality. We start coded from defining variables. Variables for track are made of ASCII symbols. Attempts amount, here is 8. Is continue and is game flags. Person irradiation counted steps. Next block we start from while loop with his game flag check and nullable attempts variable. Also create head of the game with rules explanation. If user understood the game rules, print track and create while loop with checking is continue flag. Game information printing, throw dice function calling and symbols inserting into the road list. These all in head of Walu. If radiation's points bigger than persons, then user die and we check game continue flag. If yes, game start again, else loop is break. If person reach home faster than radiation, user is saved. We check game continue flag again. If attempts is 0, person die and user lose. At the end we call the play function. Thank you for watching. Please, give a like for support this channel. Write comments, share with friends, and subscribe to see new series. Be safe. Bye.